The Cabin of Sails by Advanced Architecture Lab and Wiki World is a highly innovative architectural project located in Wuhan Ganlishan Culture Creativity City, China, completed in 2024. It is part of the broader Island Living Plan, which aims to create a series of island cabins that explore the relationship between living behavior and natural environments through minimal and sensitive spatial interventions. The design takes inspiration from a sailboat, embodying the idea of a sail as a spatial metaphor. The cabin is extremely narrow, only 2 meters wide, equivalent to the width of a double bed, challenging conventional notions of domestic space. This ultra-thin form floats above a raised terrace, creating a sheltered outdoor area beneath that connects occupants directly with nature. The slender volume is accessed via a narrow bridge, and an 80-centimeter wide staircase leads to an open loft bedroom, emphasizing verticality and spatial economy. The cabin offers a unique experience of isolation and connection. Elevated above the ground and positioned on an island accessible only by boat, it fosters a sense of retreat and solitude. The terrace opens to expansive water views and invites outdoor activities like fishing, reinforcing a lifestyle closely tied to the natural environment. The spatial arrangement encourages occupants to slow down, be more sensitive to materials and surroundings, and engage with nature in a direct, almost meditative way. Constructed entirely from prefabricated glued laminated timber, the cabin's components are digitally designed and customized for precision and ease of assembly. The use of carbonized wood panels for the facade, treated with a traditional charring technique, provides durability while maintaining a natural aesthetic that harmonizes with the forest setting. The structure is elevated on independent foundations, minimizing ground disturbance and preserving existing vegetation such as trees and bamboo. The modular metal joints allow for repeatable assembly and disassembly, reflecting a sustainable and flexible construction philosophy. The design's minimal footprint and elevated form demonstrate a deep ecological sensitivity. By limiting the cabin's width and raising it above the ground, the architects reduce physical impact on the soil and vegetation, maintaining the site's original woodland texture. No artificial landscaping or continuous slabs are used, allowing nature to remain the primary package of the project. This approach aligns with Wiki World's philosophy of returning to natural life through natural construction, emphasizing coexistence rather than domination of the environment. The Cabin of Sails represents an extreme residential experiment that redefines the scale and spatial logic of a home. It challenges traditional domestic architecture by shrinking living space to its bare essentials, thereby intensifying the occupant's relationship with materials and the environment. The project is a thoughtful response to the tension between human habitation and nature, offering a poetic and functional model for future sustainable living in sensitive landscapes.